Welcome back, guys, to another action-packed episode of Lone Star Customs. No. Anyways, so we are working on putting the shroud back for the radiator on this guy. I'm going to finish bleeding the front brakes and hopefully take her for a spin, and you guys get to see and listen to her run. And hopefully it all goes well. Alright guys, stay tuned. Alright, so here we are with the passenger side. About to start bleeding it. You know what, Isaiah, I'll have you do first. What? Go in there and pump the brakes, and then you're going to hold it. So you're going to pump it like 5 or 6 times, you're going to hold it to the floor, and then like, break it open, you'll feel it go all the way down. Alright, so go ahead and pump it all the way down. You need four good pumps, and then let me know whenever it's Yep, last one, hold it. Yep, hold it. You feel it go to the floor? Did it go all the way to the floor? Yeah. Alright, pump it. Oh, there we go. Alright, did it go all the way to the floor? Yeah. Okay, go ahead, pump it. Go all the way down. Alright, pump it. Got it? Did it go all the way down? Alright, hold it. Alright, let go. Just let go of the brake. Alright. Jeez. Okay. So you're off the brake? Yeah. Alright, hold on. Alright, let go. Jesus. Alright. They're locked up over there. Is it pretty tight? Holy shit, I just broke my screwdriver. Alright, we'll try this one first. Turn the wheels all the way to the left. Yeah, you gotta turn the key, just turn the key one click forward. Alright, that's good. What the? Alright, so I guess next what I need to do is take this caliper off and see why she don't want to move. Can you bring the So we're going to take this apart, see what happens. There it is. Oh, that wasn't bad. That was going to be a struggle. You thought? I thought. Go pick up little Michael. Yeah, he just got... Awesome truck with that. Anything in the case? No, it was good today. Alright, did you let him know? Text him and let him know. Call Michael on my phone real quick, let him know. Justin will be there. Jesus Christ, you should not have to beat your brakes off, guys. You should not have to do that. Brake pads look good. To go in, doesn't want to relax, so I'm gonna try and rejuvenate it with some WD-40 around it and run it in and out a couple times. I've been successful with that before. I think I'll need to put some new brake hoses on this freaking thing. That doesn't look good. I don't know if y'all can see that. Yep, right there. No bueno. It's got to get replaced. But we'll see if we can get this caliper to free up. If we can get this caliper to free up, that'll save a little bit of money.
Okay, the recorder's going.
The recorder gadget. Alright, so right here, I had to pull the little tail for the brake because I'm not getting any fluid past this point. I was getting fluid from the proportioning valve. I'm not getting fluid over here, so I'm thinking maybe this is clogged or something's going on. So I undid this thin little tiny nut in the back side so I can pull this through. Hopefully break that loose without too much going awry. Oh, there it goes. Sweet. Sweet baby Jesus. Alright. Where's that pan?
Right there.
Yeah, see, now we're getting fluid.
Oh, I see.
Something is wrong with this hose. Yeah, that thing's just clogged. Look at it. I should be getting something out of that down there. See it? I'm putting full air pressure in that. Yeah, look at that. Nothing. Nothing. That puppy is clogged.
That's all chunky.
Alright, well, I'm going to put this up here for the sake of
time.
Brake fluid.
Brake fluid.
Yeah, I don't want to leave it. Are you pushing on them? There she goes, yep. Did it go right to the floor? Yeah. Okay, yeah, so it's just, not that I wasn't convinced, but yeah, you're good. You can let off. Alright, so I gotta go get the new hose for this dude. Alright. More back at y'all later. Alright guys, so unfortunately this video is gonna be a short one this time around, which I've been kind of running my stuff a little long lately. But as you see here, I still have everything apart. Brake lines just on there just to keep it from leaking all out. But I went ahead and ordered the brake pads, brake lines. I'm going to say the other caliper is fine since I was able to collapse it. The reason why I wasn't able to collapse it was because of that clogged line. I'll probably go ahead and wire wheel these calipers down, maybe paint them black. We'll see. I mean, it's really not bad for rust. It's got surface rust on it. But anyways, so this will be a quick video on this one. I'll have another part of this, putting the brakes back together, and hopefully then going for a test drive like I was hoping to yesterday. But it's been raining, so today is going to be a motorcycle video. So check that out. That'll be another video added on top of this one. It won't be part of this this video. But alright guys, well y'all stay tuned. If y'all like what little bit I did, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Y'all guys have a good one.